Alright, y'all. We got this brand new video. Something very simple. If you ever need to remove change the battery to a Nissan key fob, anything like this nature, very simple. Take the key blade out. You get a small little flat head like this. You get two little dents right here. Pry that open. Pry that open. Go all around the surface if you can. Pick that up. Take that battery out. This is a 2032. Yep, I don't even know about heart. Cool. So now we're gonna do the same thing with this one. Remember, this side up. Other people will do the other side, then they'll start calling me talking about, oh, my key doesn't work. Well, yeah, you did it the wrong side. So now, nice. There's that. That's one. Where's the second one? Right here. Open that up. Make sure you don't lose any pieces. Pry that up. 2032 as well. So we're gonna get another one. Look at that. First try. Cool. Throw these all away. Yep. Done. See you guys in the next vid.